Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to compile and run C and C++ program using GNU GCC compiler in Ubuntu 22.04 long-term support edition. So first I am logged into the terminal. So first I am checking whether C and C++ of GCC compiler is installed or not. Yes, so C and C++ compilers of GCC is installed, okay, already installed. Okay, so by default it will be available. Okay, if not means I have provided the command in the description of the video. You can use this command. Okay, now I am going to show you what are the C and C++ file. So these are my C and C++ file, welcome.c and hello.cpp, which will print some welcome message. So C is using stdio.h and CPP using IOStream library. Okay, now I am going to compile C and C++ using GNU compiler. Okay, first I am compiling the C file. This is the command to compile the C file. You can see output is generated. /output file prints the output of C program. Now I am compiling the C++ program. Yes, let me run the output file. Yes, it is successful. So this is the way we need to compile and run the C and C++ program using GCC compiler. Okay, now I am going to show you one command gcc-h. Okay, so -h option will display what are the header files used by this program and what are the header files loaded in the memory stack. Okay, you can see this much of header files are loaded for C program. Now let me show you for C++. Okay, G++-h. Okay, you can see that these are the header files loaded for C++ program. See here. So all the library files are located under /user/include. Okay, you can visit /user/include. Let me show you. Go to USR directory, include. You can see that. So these are the header files used by C, and for C++, these are the header files used. Okay, C++ 11. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully compiled and run C and C++ program using GCC compiler.